Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a healthy banana bread recipe made without maida or refined flour. So let's get started with the recipe. For this recipe, I'm using 3 very ripe bananas. The riper the banana, the more sweeter it will be. Peel the ripe banana and slice the bananas into the blender jar. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, juice of half a lemon, half teaspoon freshly ground nutmeg powder, half teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1/4 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt, half cup unrefined sugar. I'm using Kandasari sugar, which is a traditional variety of unrefined sugar. Half cup wood pressed coconut oil. Wood pressed coconut oil has a very neutral flavor and taste, hence it's ideal to use in baking. Add in 2 eggs. And I'm going to blend this all really well. Pour the blended batter into a large mixing bowl. Add in 1 1/4 cups khapli wheat flour. Khapli wheat, also known as emmer wheat, is not processed. It's a whole grain, has less gluten and has more fiber when compared to modern processed wheat. For those who are new to khapli wheat, it's an ancient variety of wheat grain which has a very weak gluten molecule. I have already shared many recipes with khapli wheat. Please do check it out. Links will be updated below this video. Half teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Lightly give this a mix so that the baking powder and baking soda are mixed with the khapli wheat flour. With a spatula, fold the banana batter into the khapli wheat. Okay, now the khapli wheat is incorporated well into the banana batter. Also note the consistency of the batter. Add a splash of wood pressed coconut oil into the loaf pan. With a paper napkin, I'm greasing the loaf pan. Pour the banana bread batter into the greased loaf pan. Lightly level the top with the spatula. Sprinkle freshly ground nutmeg powder and cinnamon powder on top and bake in the preheated oven for about 45 to 50 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Once it has slightly cooled down, I'm running an offset spatula along the sides of the loaf pan so that I can easily remove the banana bread from the loaf pan. Allow the banana bread to cool down completely and then you can slice and enjoy the bread. So guys, do try this healthy banana bread recipe and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.